Millions of people enjoy instant noodles every single day, but what if everything you knew about them was completely different? What if these noodles weren't made from wheat flour, but from something completely unexpected? Welcome to one of the internet's craziest factory simulations. Inside this fictional factory, millions of mealworms are raised using futuristic automation. Everything inside this factory is controlled entirely by artificial intelligence. Every production cycle begins with millions of microscopic eggs. Only perfectly healthy larvae continue through the factory. Robotic systems move every tray automatically. AI robots provide the exact amount of food every hour. Every single mealworm is monitored by intelligent vision systems. Once fully grown, harvesting begins completely automatically. The harvested mealworms move toward advanced cleaning stations. Every stage is fully automated inside this fictional simulation. The factory prepares every batch for processing. Next, moisture is carefully removed before transformation begins. The mealworms are now ready for the most unbelievable part of the simulation.
Now the transformation begins.
Inside this fictional factory, enormous hydraulic presses transform the mealworms into a protein-rich paste. Next, this protein paste will be mixed with futuristic ingredients before becoming something that looks exactly like instant noodles. The protein paste has reached the heart of the factory where the noodle dough will be created.
Advanced AI systems calculate the perfect ratio of every ingredient.
Powerful mixing blades combine everything into a perfectly uniform dough. Every rotation strengthens the dough until it becomes smooth and elastic. Now the dough moves toward its next transformation. Massive kneading machines develop the perfect noodle structure.
The dough becomes smoother with every fold.
Precision rollers flatten the dough into enormous continuous sheets. Thousands of meters of dough are produced every hour. The familiar noodle shape finally begins to appear. Special shaping systems create the famous wavy noodle design. Every strand is shaped with incredible precision. The noodle sheets are divided into individual portions. Powerful steam cooks every noodle block evenly from the inside. Heat locks the noodle structure into place. Next comes the stage that creates the familiar instant noodle texture. Seconds later, every block becomes light, crispy, and shelf-stable. The noodles are cooled before final seasoning and packaging. AI systems inspect every noodle block before packaging. The noodles finally look complete, but one last transformation remains before they reach consumers. The noodles have reached the final production stage where flavor is added before packaging. AI-controlled dispensers coat every noodle block with the perfect amount of seasoning. Every block receives identical flavor through precision mixing. Now the noodles are ready for packaging. Thousands of packages are filled every minute without human contact. Every package receives its perfectly measured seasoning packet. Advanced sealing systems lock in freshness instantly. AI vision systems inspect every package before shipping. Even the smallest imperfection is detected automatically. Robotic systems prepare thousands of cartons every hour. The finished products are stored inside a fully automated warehouse. Artificial intelligence manages every shipment automatically. The products are now ready to travel across the world. Millions of packages begin their journey to consumers everywhere. Only minutes later, the finished noodles are ready to enjoy. The final result looks exactly like ordinary instant noodles.
But remember, everything you've just seen was only a futuristic AI thought experiment.
This imaginary factory explored a fictional manufacturing process created entirely with AI visualization. Fortunately, real instant noodles are primarily made from wheat flour, not mealworms. This entire factory existed only as an AI simulation. What other impossible factories should we imagine next? Tell us your craziest factory idea in the comments, and it could become our next AI simulation.